So if anytime you had this question that where in India is the place that you can live and what's the best city of India for living, it's here, Chandigarh. It's the most planned city in India and it's so different. Everything here is different because it's so planned, and you cannot hear any horn here, you cannot see any dirt here. Traffic is amazing. You don't have any extra things here to deal with, and yeah, I want to show you this amazing city today. So right now I am going to one of the most beautiful places in this city, which called Rock Garden. I'm not explaining anything about it. Let's see it together. So I bought my ticket, which is 30 rupee. Like 3 tickets will be $1. So beautiful. Nature is amazing here. I think everything which is designed here is designed with these rocks, and it's a really old park. I will describe more about this beauty, but as the park will close in half an hour and I want to see everywhere, I try to don't talk on the video, and later I will explain about this amazing place. Oh, look at this. Smoking hookah. Friend?
You're my friend.
Yeah. What's her name?
Shafi.
Shafi?
Yeah, my name is Shafi. This is Sania.
Sania.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is water.
So it seems I was in the wrong way. I walked a lot and I see how it's possible. No one is here. And at the end they told me you came to the wrong way, which worth it because it's beautiful with these ceramics and beautiful trees. But I should back. Hello. You're fixing it?
They're fixing.
Nice. How beautiful they are. Oh, look, this one is drinking tea. Oh, they are so beautiful. Oh my god, look at the other side. Oh, they are just amazing. Oh, do you have any idea about this? I have no idea. I really love this part. People come, go, and I'm just still here and watching. Each of them has really different emotions. It's so hard to show it with this camera because it needs to be more zoom on their face. But their face, their eyes, emotions behind it, even for animals, it's amazing. It's really, I see lots of sculpture, but they are amazing. I cannot find a good word for describing it. Full of emotions. Look at these faces. So these ones made by Bengals, you know, there are these bracelets that Indian women wear it, mostly in their weddings, their parties, and they're so colorful and beautiful. And this sculptures made by them. What do you think? What are they doing? The guide said that they are dancing. It's not look like dance, but interesting. So this beautiful park finished. I'm going to walk something like 30 minutes in these beautiful streets of Chandigarh to going to a lake, which is close to here, near 30 minutes walking, and continue knowing more about Chandigarh. I'm getting a bit hungry also, but I cannot see any food here. Mostly if I heard that in Chandigarh there are some special foods which I'm going to try later. Whenever I find, I will share it with you. Can you believe it? It's India. I'm in the street, main street, and there is no voice. It's just amazing because I'm always running away from cities in India. I try to don't stay anywhere. Even in villages, you cannot believe, but even in villages, if just one car a day pass, that car make lots of noise, like boop, 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 all the time. And here you walk in peace in this beautiful street. So there is 53 different type of trees and plants which they are making here. I'm not sure if they sell it or it's for city, but they're so beautiful, each of them. Some of them are so big, as you see there, and some of them are still babies. So next destination is something like 30 minutes again walking from the lake, but it's good walking because I will walk next to the lake. And it's a silence garden, which is so beautiful for me. Even I don't know what's the shape of this park, but as long as it's silence park, and I love silence, so it should be so interesting. Come with me. It's the garden of silence. Just look at the people. Some of the most busy places that I see today is here, and yeah, I'm so disappointed, but I laugh a lot because yeah, I just was searching for this place, and from far I saw the Buddha that is sitting at the middle, and then I find that okay, it should be here. And I check in the map, yeah, it's a garden of silence, but no silence, but it's beautiful. So let's back to lake. So I decide to climb down and see these beautiful flowers from more close. Okay, it's unbelievable, but people call me and say that here is full of snakes. So I'm coming back up. So I learned a lesson in India, which I forget a lot, but I'm sharing this lesson with you. India is full of people. They are a really huge number of people. So everywhere you go, always there are people. So when you see some beautiful spot, something nice, and there is no one around it, you should know that for sure there is a problem there and you shouldn't go. Like these flowers, they were amazing, beautiful, but no one here is full of people, but no one was there. So I went there, and then they called me and said that there is a snakes here. So it's the most important lesson for traveling in India.